Mackenzie Benton Trail off Joe Brown Sr. off of Burrell Mountain. Everything's trying to bud out. This is the view right here. You got to see this.
Nice.
Come on, old woman. Get in gear. Put it in low lock.
It's these boots.
How's that for a
Wow.
view?
Wow. Watch out for snakes. That's cool. How in the world they put these things up here?
Perseverance. You gotta have a dual sport to get here.
You got stickers or something all in there.
I told you it's full of stickers. Beautiful view.
You know, it's Saturday. We should go into town tonight. All the stores will be open and stuff.
You can do a lot of shopping up here. You can shop for rocks.
You won't let me carry you in back.
Yeah, I will on your bike.
I thought you loved me.
I do, but I'm not your rock man.
You're not?
No, I ain't carrying your rocks.
What happened to your helmet?